Hello student, there is an announcement about our CSAT score booster program which we are starting on 4th April 2025. Timing for this course is 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Here it is available only on online mode. You can attend live classes and you will have access to the recorded lecture till your prelims 2025. It is going to be score booster. See here in this program we have 8 full-length tests on UPSC level, including statement based question, including number system, latest pattern question, challenging question. Plus you will have 10 to 12 live theme based lecture which are going to be score booster, which will help you to increase your score by 15-20 marks. We will have number system observation lectures. We will have statement based questions. We have around 10 to 12 theme based lecture. Plus you will get 600 extra question for practice, which are on statement based, number system and the latest pattern question. You will have access till your prelims 2025 and there will be some doubt session, live doubt session for you people. So now here theme based lecture, I will take 2 lecture on number system observation. I will take 4 lecture on statement based questions, how to use answer options, how you can solve question by putting value, how you can check question manually, extreme value, assumption, question on mixture, circular motion and some miscellaneous topic I will cover. But it is beneficial for only those students those who are clear with the basic. If you are clear with the basic, then this program will help you. We have around 10 to 12 lecture, 8 full length tests, 600 extra question for practice. Fees for this course is 1500 rupees and it is only in online mode. So here you can visit our website iassetu.com or you can call on our reception number 8826619699. And we have limited seats for this program. Thank you students.